Instagram deep links for direct subscription to funnel in Chatbot on Smart Center platform. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video, we will learn how to make deep links that will transfer subscriber from Instagram directly to the funnel on the Chatbot. Like and subscribe to our channel. In any case, to subscribe to a chatbot, you must set up a start menu at the time of initial subscription, and only after the user uses the start menu button, the funnel can be started. This is very important. Okay guys, and the first tag, we go Smart Messenger, Grow Tools, and here we choose Static Menu. Choose this one and create our menu. We choose here Instagram because this is menu only for Facebook and Instagram. Continue. Click this one and create our menu. We create only one button now. It is button Call to Action Moving Further. Button, it is base button, and we write a text. Next one. And continue. This is place you have to choose what happens after you click the button. We have a few options. We can write here, select a funnel and subscribe to it, like for this one. I select any funnel for an example and choose some funnel. Continue. We can add other actions if it is necessary. For example, add some tag or choose any tag, okay, and anything else. Or we can leave it empty and sign up via the mini landing. I want to leave this is all empty and show you how it is doing the via mini landing. Okay guys, go to Grow Tools again and choose a widgets. I have some landing page which I created previously. I have some mini landing with quiz. Now when I click this button, I get to the direct, but to send the text from the funnel, you need to click the next button, which we create few minutes ago. This is very important. The most important thing here is to attract the user to click this button. We create the button as such an example, but you need to create any call action relevant to you that the user fell in the funnel and signed up for the chatbot. And please note, this is only for initial subscription. If the user is already subscribed to the chatbot, he will not be shown this button in any case, because this is static menu only for new user. This is one. This is one. After user clicking this button, he will see the button for menu next, and in action we assign some funnel. This is a test, and for example I add any funnel for this one. Subscribe to funnel and choose this is one. Take the test. Okay guys, I repeat again. The first step, you need to create your static menu for Instagram, create a special call to action about your business, about your funnel maybe. Next step, you can choose this is funnel, for example, in your static menu, or you can use a mini landing and choose this funnel here. And of course, if the user clicks the button Instagram, the first step, he will be received the button next. Next step, he will be fell in your funnel. If the user subscribed earlier, after clicking this button Instagram, he will be fell into funnel. Friends, here are very simple settings, and the main thing to remember the main features, and you will create a direct subscription to your bot in Instagram. Like and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss a new lesson how to create a chatbot on the platform Smart Sender. See you soon, guys!